guys, welcome back to By Faith Waits Creates. This is Shakita, and today I'm going to give you the ultimate cleaning motivation. I'm going to be targeting 3 areas that are on my procrastination list often, and that's the fridge, the microwave, and the stove. I'll also be tackling other areas in my home. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So if you notice I'm looking stiff or that my shirt is tucking, I'm totally wearing my waist trainer. I try to wear it often. It reminds me to keep that belly sucked in and keep that posture straight. I think it's so funny when you watch your video back and you notice little things. But I just want to go ahead and tell y'all, just ignore that bleach stain on my shirt. Y'all know I be cleaning for real. So I drizzled some dish soap and vinegar on the stove and massaged it in. I couldn't find my spray bottle. And then afterwards, I took a knife. I had a knife that had like a rounded tip on the end. And there was like some like burnt food particles and things like that around each heating element. So I just slightly took the knife and kind of scraped it up. Just being careful not to scratch the paint that's on the stove. And as you probably just seen where I went around the clock with the knife as well, because there was food caught in the cracks of it. So I did that. I would have used a toothpick, but I didn't have any. I thought I did, but I didn't. And so I just used that instead, which it worked just fine. It was thin enough. And as you can see, I'm giving it a good spray down. I lifted the bottom and massaged dish soap and the vinegar at the bottom as well. As you can see, my son was having a ball playing in the fridge. I just let him have at it, hoping that he would take a good nap afterwards. So I started loading all of the condiments and everything back into the side of the fridge. And once I moved on to the bulk of the fridge, I realized really quick that the side was the easy part. So here I'm taking everything out of the fridge and taking the drawers out and tackling this stain that's at the bottom of the fridge. It was so hard to get that out. It ended up staining, of course, but it'll fade over time. And of course, I'm using my bleach water with dish soap. It works every time. It disinfects and gets it all clean. So I did end up popping off the bottom paneling on the fridge and getting it nice and clean. And then when I looked under it, I had like a fly swatter and so many magnets, ton of dust and dirt. And so I got those things out and then vacuum under it and got it nice and clean. And then once I cleaned the paneling, I popped it back on and it was like new.
I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So after I let the product do most of the work, I go back with my sponge and just lightly take my sponge around each heating element and it comes right up. I do that on top and I do that on bottom, and y'all, it got so clean. And I did not have to do a lot of scrubbing, and I did not ruin the painting on it.
Walk out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper.
So I want to dedicate this microwave cleaning to my husband. He usually stays on top of cleaning our microwave because he likes it sparkling clean when he puts his food in there. So babe, this is for you.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
So here I am in my den. I'm going to give you some more cleaning motivation. Also some laundry motivation, my favorite. Y'all know I'm kidding. So I'm going to do some vacuuming and just picking up, not too much. The main goal in this room is to get this laundry done. I'm going to spread this laundry out and I'm going to tackle it and get it out my way. I'm tired of looking at it. Y'all know how it is. We'll wash and dry all day, but that folding is another level. So, guys, we are getting close to the end, and I want to take the time to thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. And also, if you want to be a part of my YouTube family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified about future uploads, go ahead and hit that bell. I really do appreciate you, and I'm excited about the new decor content I have coming and more cleaning videos. So if that interests you, come on, jump on board. I would love to have you. All right, y'all have a blessed week and enjoy the video to the end.